In a world where luxury meets technology, one vehicle has flipped the celebrity playbook on its head. Forget Lamborghinis or G-Wagons. The real status symbol of 2024 is none other than the Tesla Cybertruck. And leading that charge, global pop icon Katy Perry, who sent shockwaves across the internet with a single post. Just one image of her Cybertruck and a casual TLX for the delivery to Elon Musk. The result? 42 million views. Yes, you heard that right. Now, stars from Justin and Hailey Bieber to tech moguls and fashion elites are jumping aboard this stainless steel spaceship on wheels. But what's really driving this trend? Let's dive in. When Katy Perry casually dropped a picture of herself next to her freshly delivered Cybertruck, no one could have predicted the digital earthquake it would trigger. No fancy captions, no elaborate filters, just Katy, her Cybertruck, and a simple thank you tag to Elon Musk. In less than 48 hours, the post exploded. 42 million views on X, formerly Twitter. That's not just viral, that's a cultural phenomenon. This wasn't just about a vehicle, it was a moment. And it was the moment Tesla's already iconic Cybertruck went from being a futuristic concept to a bona fide celebrity must-have. Let's rewind a bit. The Cybertruck, first revealed in 2019, looked more like a Mars rover than a pickup truck. With its sharp lines, exoskeleton body, and Blade Runner vibe, people weren't sure if it was genius or a giant meme. But as always, Elon Musk knew exactly what he was doing. Tesla wasn't just selling a truck, they were selling the future. Fast forward to 2024, and the Cybertruck is finally hitting the streets. And not just any streets. The streets of Beverly Hills, Malibu, and Hollywood Boulevard. The first wave of deliveries went straight to the influencers of influence, celebrities. And Katy Perry, she became the queen of the Cybertruck scene overnight. Her post didn't just get likes, it generated headlines, think pieces, memes, fan edits, and a tidal wave of attention from fans and auto geeks alike. But she wasn't alone. Within days of Katy's post, paparazzi captured Justin Bieber and Hailey Baldwin cruising down Sunset in their matte-finished Cybertruck. Elon himself responded, calling it great taste. And the internet devoured every second of it. TikTok was flooded with Cybertruck spotting videos. Instagram Reels showed fans trying to get a glimpse of the Biebers stepping out of their futuristic beast. X became a Tesla temple overnight. So, what is it about the Cybertruck that's turning it into the A-list accessory of the year? First off, it's a walking contradiction, in the best way. It's rugged yet luxurious, futuristic yet practical, a pickup truck yet fully electric. It turns heads, starts conversations, and more importantly, screams uniqueness in a sea of copy-paste luxury cars. In an industry where every celebrity has already driven the Lamborghini Urus or the Rolls-Royce Cullinan, the Cybertruck feels different. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement. For stars like Katy Perry and the Biebers, who are constantly reinventing their image, this truck is a tool of narrative. It says, I'm bold. I think ahead. I don't follow trends. I start them. And let's not forget the Elon Musk factor. When Elon retweets your post or compliments your taste, it's not just a flex, it's a certification. It boosts your reach. It cements your place in the cultural conversation. Katy's 42 million views? That wasn't just her fan base. That was a global audience hungry to know what comes next. Behind the scenes, Tesla has mastered the art of scarcity. Cybertruck production is still ramping up, meaning these early deliveries are exclusive. Celebrities aren't just driving a car, they're driving buzz, limited access, and a piece of the Tesla mystique. And Elon knows exactly what he's doing by keeping these rides rare and letting them trickle into the hands of the ultra-visible. He's using fame to fuel desire. The ripple effects are impossible to ignore. Car dealerships are flooded with Cybertruck inquiries. Social media is obsessed. Designers are now releasing Cybertruck-themed fashion lines, music videos, Instagram shoots. Even commercials are finding ways to work this vehicle into their visuals. You might be wondering, can a truck really have this much cultural impact? Well, yes, because the Cybertruck isn't just any truck. It's the iPhone of cars. It redefines what's possible. It pushes boundaries. And when someone like Katy Perry puts her name on it, it becomes more than transportation. It becomes the moment. Now, more and more celebs are joining the wave. Rumors are swirling about Travis Scott's customized Cybertruck. Billie Eilish has reportedly been eyeing one. And even athletes and mega streamers are teasing their Cybertruck arrivals. Each post adds fuel to the fire. It's the snowball effect of influence. One celebrity buys it, and the rest follow. Not because they're copying, but because they know what this truck represents. In an age where attention is the most valuable currency, a single Cybertruck post can dominate the digital world. And when your name trends with it, you've just bought more than a truck. You've bought headlines. So what started as a steel-plated angular curiosity has now become the most iconic symbol of innovation and status in 2024. Thanks to Katy Perry's 42M-View Flex and the Bieber's high-profile appearances, Tesla's Cybertruck is no longer just a car. It's a cultural icon. From tech dreams to celebrity driveways, the Cybertruck has redefined what it means to stand out. In a world full of lookalikes, this is the vehicle that dares to be different. And in doing so, it has captured the imagination of an entire generation. So, if you see a massive, bulletproof beast quietly rolling by your neighborhood, don't be surprised, because the future is here and it drives a Cybertruck. Stay bold, stay curious, and don't blink, because the next celebrity Cybertruck moment could break the internet all over again.